Do you want to turn off the typing indicator on Instagram? You can hide the typing indicator in Instagram chat conversations with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the typing indicator on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. The typing indicator on Instagram is a feature that lets you know when someone you are chatting with is currently typing a message. This is shown as a typing indicator within the chat conversation screen. To turn off the typing indicator on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are in the Instagram newsfeed, tap on the message icon in the top right corner of the screen. You will see all the chat lists here. Tap on the specific person chat with whom you want to hide the typing indicator in Instagram direct messages. Once you are in the chat conversation screen, tap on the name at the top of the screen. This will display some settings for individual chats. Find and tap on Privacy and Safety. Under the Who Can See Your Activity section, you will see the typing indicator. Tap on the toggle switch button next to the typing indicator to disable it. Once you turn it off, Instagram will disable the typing indicator while typing messages. Now, that friend will not see you when you are typing a message. By following these simple steps, you will disable the typing indicator on Instagram chat conversations.